everybody, and welcome to June's unboxing for the Stationery Selection. This is a Japanese stationery subscription service, and this incredible box has been sent in from Japan with the latest, greatest things. So let's jump right in. So as always, we get the cover letter and it gives us a description of exactly what is in the box. So we have a handy idea of what we can expect, and we can get more information about some of the items. So let's jump in. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in. We have the business card. As always, I love these business cards. All right, so the first thing I see here is this Coco Fusen or Fusion, and I really like the packaging and design of this. I believe they are page flags, and I don't know, I just really think that this is a really fun design. They're like great ways to highlight something that you want to bring attention to, but I'm assuming you just pull one. Oh, that's so cool. And then it just goes back and forth. They're like little sticky notes. But these are really fun. I love the colors of these too. Those are really, really pretty. And I don't know, I just feel like this would be really cute tucked into a pocket of a journal. I'm looking around me to see. Here we go. To see if I had one. Oops. I don't know, just look at the simplicity of that. I just think that's really, really clever, and it doesn't add any bulk or anything. This ribbon really doesn't do anything, and I just love the simplicity that holds, and I don't know, I think it's great. I love when design becomes part of the product. It just translates really well. All right, the next thing is this really big item, and I believe this is meant to be a corner punch, but this particular one I think has a design, so let's check it out. I remember when corner rounders were like the thing, and there was such thing as the perfect rounded corner, and it was really hard to find one that gave you that perfect rounded edge. All right, so I've got this card. It says you can punch 4 to 5 sheets, but like I said, it is a corner rounder, so I think you're meant to come in a corner, and I'm just like wiggling this around to make sure I get a good, oh, it doesn't have shapes. I'm confused. It is just a corner rounder. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. But you can see that it has rounded this. I wish I could read the packaging. Yeah, so it does show here in a picture that it is just supposed to be a corner rounder, but it has this design here, so it kind of confused me a little bit. Oh, hey, honey. There's a kitty cat in here with me now. I heard him coming. He was getting anxious out there. So this is great. I love this. I think having rounded corners is like the bee's knees. I know it went out of fashion for a while, and I'm excited that that is back, because I just feel like, I don't know, it just looks more finished, doesn't it? And there is no like ripping or tearing of this paper. This is a clean punch, and it is so easy. There's no real pressure needed. It fits really good in the hands. I have full control of it, and that is really cool. And it has legs on it, so it will happily just stand on your desk. All right, the next is this embroidered bookmark, and I saw this design, this little bird on an ink jar. I just died. So this is a multi-length bookmark. So this is going to work well with an A5 or smaller. So let me show you what I mean by that. Let me just pull this out. I have this on my desk because I'm getting ready to leave again on another trip. So I have it all ready to go. But basically, you just attach it, and it's the perfect length for a standard size, and it's absolutely adorable. But if I wanted to use it for a smaller notebook, just attach it. So it just attaches easily there, and you can see it's much too long. All I need to do is wrap it around this, and there are directions depending on size. But I think it said for B6 you had to go twice around. So there that is, and now I can just attach this back on, and there we go. The perfect length for my little B6 notebook. And how cute is that dangling from the bottom? The embroidered, and it's double-sided, so it's not like one side is more finished than the other. It's perfection. This is the cutest thing ever. I might even just attach this so I can take it with me, because it's adorable. And I love that it doesn't give like a huge footprint at the top of the notebook there, so it doesn't like stick out a great deal. But look at it, look how cute it is. And now I can take my little birdie with me. All right, next up is these, which I died over because I'm a cat lady. And these are little kitty cat Post-it notes, and they are paper. I thought they might have had some transparency to them, but they are just clear. Ooh, that sticky is tough. Oh, I like that. That's some super stick. I love this, and I love that I can close it up if I want to give it extra protection, but this is really cute, and I might even just stick a couple in my journal to take with me. That way I have some sticky notes. Okay, the next thing is this tape. This washi tape is a collaboration between MT and the artist Ota Ipnu. I think I spelled that right, or said that right. It's Ottaipnu. And the washi tape is called Bird Song, which I'm collecting a theme here. This is very springy. We've got a little bird bookmark and bird song tape, and oh, this is just so cool. I love how soft these colors are. This is going to be perfect for spring. And these colors just all go so well together, don't they? Okay, clearly we only have 2 more items left, and it is this full pack of pens and this memo pad. This is a Midori diamond memo pad, and I will show you why I love it. First of all, the size is perfect, and it's coming with me on my trip, but it is divided. It's got these little divided sections that are front and back, and it is a fountain friendly paper because they're using their MD Midori paper. And I don't know, I just love it. I love that it's flexible. There's not like a cardboard back on the back side, so it's pretty bendy. So this is going to be going straight into my pocketbook for any notes that I need to write down quickly. I do not like writing notes on my phone. I just am more tactile than that. So this is going to be great to have in my purse. And so these pens are really great. You just pull up on the lid here and tuck it back, and it will stand on your desk. So if you need to pull a color out, you can just pull one out and you're good to go. Another thing that I like about this pen set is that it does have a very satisfying click to let you know that it's in place and when it's being taken out. So I don't have to worry about, it does come with this built-in case, but I don't have to worry about them sort of flying all over the place. There's a satisfying click there that I just really appreciate. So let's go ahead and swatch these because I know that's what everybody is dying to know. So I'm just gonna do them one at a time. Oh, I love the way these write. That's really pretty. And this is very true to the barrel color. I find sometimes that the color of the pen does not match the color of the ink. Oh, this lavender color is really pretty. So I'm going to take these pens with me too, because sometimes I like adding colored ink to my journal spreads. And little doodles in different colors might be fun. And I just love the way the pens write. And this is going to go, these colors are really going to go great with the colors that I'm using for my journal pages for May. Emmett just got home from school. I just heard the door open. Love it. All right, so there is the color swatch of the pens. All right, sorry about that. I had to go say hello to Emmett. He just got home from school, and now Callie is screaming. I want to test this paper really quickly, even though I know it's really good. For the sake of you guys. I want to make sure. So I'm just going to use the darkest color. And then let's try let's see if this one will even work. No. There we go. I just want to see how pen friendly this is. No ghosting, no shadowing. You can see a little bit of the imprinting because the nib on the fountain pen is a fine nib, so it sort of pushes into the paper, but the Le Pen absolutely did nothing. So that's really exciting. All right, so I think that's basically it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed seeing everything. I will leave everything you need to find the stationery selection down below, and I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you later. Bye.